League players improve their game. Our Western Clydesdales have joined a trial where scientists step into the brain of professional players, looking at focus, resilience and recovery.
Bringing science and sport together through cutting-edge technology, with hopes virtual reality will improve performance. Researchers from the University of Southern Queensland are studying athletes' behaviour.
It is trying to use pupil diameter of our eyes to assess cognitive fatigue in high-performance context.
Western Clydesdale men's and women's star Chris Woodbridge and Georgia Sims are the first players in the program. They're given game day scenarios to learn how their decisions can influence team resilience.
Looking at a bit of what's happening within the brain for athletes in different contexts in a sporting environment in the lead up to a game and then after a game.
So if you're thinking positively, usually good things will come out of that. And if you're thinking negatively, it usually has the opposite effect.
And there was very much a psychological thing, I believe, in a couple of those games where you're coming up against big-name players.
Software for this new education tool was made possible through a National Science Week funding grant.
So it's got a big benefit, and already there's been so much excitement from other sports.
Travis Stacey, 7 News.